Are you encountering you need the official WhatsApp to login error on your iPhone? Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can fix if you're frequently getting you need the official WhatsApp to login error on any iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so this problem commonly happens when you have the outdated WhatsApp version, and even the WhatsApp is unofficial, then you'll get to see this error. Now to fix this problem, all you have to do is just go ahead and press and hold the WhatsApp from your device, and then simply go and tap on remove app and tap on delete app, and then tap on delete, and the WhatsApp will be deleted. And then open up the app store from your device and then search for WhatsApp. And once you've searched for it, go ahead and tap on WhatsApp Messenger and go ahead and install the WhatsApp again to your device. And once you have downloaded the WhatsApp with the updated version, go ahead and tap on open and set up your WhatsApp again. And most likely the problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.